motherfucking government, you feel me? Reggae flow, but right now, I'm on the rap scenery, you feel me? Ooh ah. Big up Sick One, big up Boom
over there.
Big up Greg,
Serious
big up
thing.
E-Dot, big up Zoom Zoom, everybody, anybody. Yo, Sick One, say a few words if you can.
Yo, what else do I need to say, son? I'm in there. Let's get it in.
Yo.
I'm on it every day.
Yo, light skin, nigga, hold on. Let's get this. Lionel light skin might mistake me for a poppy. Fully hair look good even when the waist sloppy. Skinny tight frame with the Mac type stocky. Dope always congested, going on some broccoli. Feel me? Hold on. My skin tone light, Richie nigga. This bitch with me nigga, smoking on some sticky nigga. Bottles of white nights with some black bitches. Black and white tiles, black and white bitches. My flow right, my swagger malicious. I'm wetting them women like they wetting them dishes. And I'm getting the hold on. Let me tell you the difference between these women, between them ladies and them bitches. White nights with some black bitches. Black and white ties, black and white bitches. 90s a Flatbush, I'm with the government. So I'm feeling like a fucking black Republican. White nights with some black bitches. My flow right, my swagger malicious. 90s a Flatbush with the government. So I'm feeling like a fucking black Republican. So good, she had to, so good, she had to, so good, she had to come right back. So good, she had to, so good, she had to, so good, she never done it like that. I came to do damage, I ain't cutting no slack. I came to do damage, I ain't cutting no slack. Piggy nail on, maybe cutting your back. Piggy nail on, maybe cutting your back. Shorty, let me kick it. Stop this rip skirt, lift back, bone tip it on my lap, gon' dip it. Shirt gon' rip it, snatch it, throw away to fit it. Give me the pussy, I couldn't be more specific. If the ladies wetter than the beaches of the Pacific. Tropical palm tree, all the type mystic. If that ass back, I would gymnasium flip it. Back shots on the stadium split it. I said, so good, she had to, so good, she had to, so good, she had to come right back. So good, she had to, so good, she had to, so good, she never done it like that. I came to do damage, I ain't cutting no slack. I came to do damage, I ain't cutting no slack. Piggy nail on, maybe cutting your back. Piggy nail on, maybe cutting your back. I make them all feel sexy so they never forget me. Elizabeth, Joy, Toya, and or Leslie. Coke bottle shape, but they love to sip on the Pepsi. Main miss named Lexus, remind me of the SC. Let's see, you go down exactly just how the text be. So I pop a Coke and roll grease, hits how they text me. Then I answer they call and whisper so gently. If you offer it, sex and temptation, please don't exempt me. Miss don't resent me, the Savior probably sent me to fill up all the places in your life presently empty. You already know my work, number one like Penny. I pour bitches out like the Henny. Tell that bitch, so good she had to, so good she had to, so good she had to come right back. So good she had to, so good she had to, so good she never done it like that. I came to do damage, I ain't cutting no slack. I came to do damage, I ain't cutting no slack. Piggy nail, maybe cutting your back. One piggy nail, baby, cutting your back. Lord, be forgiven for this life that I live in. Based on your 10 commandments, a nigga been sinning. Sipping the juice of gin and smoking weed and chasing women. I gotta understand what really makes a man be forgiven for this motherfucking life that we live in. Based on your commandments, a nigga been sinning. Sipping the juice of gin and smoking weed and chasing women. I gotta understand what really makes a man. Hardcore sex don't stop what they mumbling. Ass shaking like Jack and Jill when they tumbling. When they throw it back, I catch it proper, no fumbling. Sex on the kitchen table sound like the thunder in my next bitch coming. Said a friend gon' come again. Look like I'ma come again. Next girl sprung again. 40 cal beats sound like 1,000 women running in. Here's what niggas look like flats when I'm done with them. Red gang government, the cabinet coming in New York. My baby mama, why the fuck you think I'm sonning them? Told that girl that I got a juice to make her young again. Dick in them out like a tongue again. It's young again. When they get that baby pop like Bonnie, babe, I'm loving them. We a bunch of dogs, we here when we coming in. Tear them up, it's pure bone and flesh when we done with them. Red gang government, the cabinet coming in. On the scene, I pull up like Pampers. Glock too dirty for the hamper. Swagger like a tanker. I turn the big barrel on the banker. She put the money in the bag, I thank her. Sail North Sea land, Hoya anchor. Daddy good girl, get home, I gotta spank her. She sicker than the cancer. Slow romancer. Niggas so fly, make them like Prancer. Hold up, Mr. Young just too much. Matter of fact, never enough. This is no bluff. Freestyling on the camera. Hold on, I got bitches opposing. All the breasts exposed in. I ain't even gonna stop. I'ma just keep on going. Just like the flow is, river is flowing. Matter of fact, I'm coming, I'm cruising. The motherfuckers just knew it, cause they pressing the button while they snoozing. You choosing to do this, and we choosing to do that.
Yo, hold on, so you can't be going on all day,
man. So players, but we niggas
5 minutes so far.
I ain't going no, man.
Alright.